Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Warm the engine 3 to 5 minutes so oil flows, then park level and secure the bike on the center or paddock stand. Put the oil pan under the drain plug and use the correct socket to loosen it. Turn slowly to avoid stripping. Once the plug moves, brace the bike and remove it fully. Let oil drain into the pan. Make sure to remove the oil filler cap to allow smooth flow and faster draining. This prevents glugs and trapped air. With oil drained, remove the old filter carefully, catching residual oil. You'll want to note its orientation to fit the new one correctly. Clean the filter mount and drain plug threads, replacing the gasket before reinstalling the plug to avoid leaks. Lightly oil the new filter's rubber seal, then hand tighten and finish to spec. Don't over-torque. Once the filter is seated, make sure all threads are clean and no shredding occurred. This prevents future leaks and ensures reliable pressure. Now refill through the filler neck with the manufacturer's oil type and exact quantity. Use a funnel to avoid spills. You should run the engine for 30 seconds to a minute, then shut off and wait 2 minutes before checking the dipstick or sight glass, top to the correct mark. Inspect for leaks around the filter and drain plug. If you see leaking, immediately tighten to spec or replace the gasket. If the level reads low, add small increments and recheck until correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.